Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate, is back with another video for you. Today, I'm going to give you guys one of my best motivational techniques. It's something that I call my personal success formula. I'm going to outline it for you, show exactly how I use it, how to make it work for you, and hopefully you can duplicate it for yourself. All right, ready? Let's go. Okay, so here's how this works. The first thing you have to do is set a clear, concise goal. Now, that could be anything. It could be an income goal. It could be, an achievement that you want to reach, whatever it is, you have to be, but whatever it is, it has to be clear and concise of exactly what it is that you are trying to reach, so your goal has to be clear and concise. All right. Now, the next thing you want to do is you're going to set a date for when you want to reach this goal. This doesn't give you a time frame, but you want to set a clear, concise date. So for instance, today is January 11th, 2021. If I was setting a date for a year from now, I would say, okay, my date would be January 11th, 2022 or January 15th, whatever it is, but you want to set a clear exact date. Don't just give it, a broad time frame. You want to set a clear exact date. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is you're going to have to think about how you're going to achieve this goal. What this is going to do is force you to think about, how are you going to, make a plan? How are you going to exactly reach this goal that you're setting for yourself? Okay. Now, then you're going to think about how are you going to reach this goal by the date that you just set. Now, the next thing you want to do is think about why you are actually doing this. What is the reason why you want to reach this goal? What is it going to bring to your life? What is it going to bring to you as a person? What is the biggest reason why that you want to reach this goal? And this is going to help you define, what is going to be the driving factor in helping you to continue going forward to reach this goal. All right. And then the next thing you want to think about is how are you going to pay it forward when you reach this goal? Because you don't want to, you don't want to have selfish ambition. At least for me, I think it's important to not have selfish ambition. So how are you going to pay it forward when you reach this goal? It's got to be your goal, whatever your goal is. It's got to be about more than just you. It's got to be bigger than just you. Okay. So how are you going to pay it forward? How are you going to give back to charity? Are you going to give back the time-wise? Are you going to, anything, whatever it is for you, how are you going to give back? How are you going to pay it forward, when you reach this goal that you set for yourself? Okay. Then the next thing you're going to think about is how are you going to feel? Think about exactly, put yourself in that place of already have reached in this goal and think about how are you going to feel when you actually reach this goal and achieve all the success and everything that you're reaching for. All right. Now, what you're going to do is once you have all this, you're going to write everything down. Write all of this down, and you're going to write it down in the present tense. And you're going to write it down as if, like I said, in the present tense, as if it is actually in the process of happening, as if it's already happened. Okay. And you want to be specific as possible when you're doing this. You want to be able to visualize it. You want to be able to feel it. You want to put yourself in the mind frame of actually already having achieved these things and be to the point where you can actually feel it. Okay. Then the next thing that you want to do is you're going to want to record it in your own voice and put some background music to it. What I do mine is I actually put some background music that was called binaural beats, or what people like to call meditation music, or anything like that. But what it does is it puts me in a good mind frame, when I'm listening to this. And that's what the last part is. So once you've gotten all this written down and you got it written down where you can visualize it and you record it in your own voice to the background music, the next part is you're going to listen to this multiple times daily. Now, for me, I recommend, at least I'll tell you what I do and this works for me. I listen to this, what I call my personal success formula. I listen to it 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the afternoon, and I listen to it 3 times at night before I go to bed. Every single day, 7 days a week. And it's in the point where now that I actually, it feels weird if for some reason I go too long and I didn't remember to do it or listen to it. You know, if I got busy and didn't get a chance to or something like that, you know, so it really does help me, you know, to keep myself motivated, you know, because I can actually, you know, like it's to the point now when I listen to it, I actually feel like I've already achieved the goals that I set for myself, you know, and that's why a lot of times I've had to already, you know, redo them over because, you know, I actually do start to achieve these things, you know, that I'm putting out for myself even before the date even comes. So, you know, so again, you know, this is what I call my personal success formula. Again, it's just a really good motivational technique that I've learned, and it helps me a lot. And I'm hoping that you guys can use it for yourself and let me know. You know, like drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about it, if you tried it, or, you know, if you got questions about it, put them in it. You know, you can send me my email, or, you know, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. All right. Again, it's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate. Hope you love this video. Peace out.